The Global Fisheries Conference 2023 is being held at Gujarat Science City, Hebatpur, Ahmedabad, Gujarat from 21st November to 22nd November 2023. This two-day conference is organizing by Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Govt of India. The theme of this conference is Fisheries and Aquaculture Wealth. The aim of the conference is reaching out to the various domestic and global fisheries sector stakeholders and build partnerships, fostering collaborative efforts and promoting the Indian fisheries sector. In today's conference, Translation India is providing 40 Bosch Delegate Mikes to Soundproof simultaneous interpretation booths and Hindi and Gujarati conference interpreters for the smooth running of the event without any language disturbance.